Hey, what's up, guys? It's your update of your fantastic RetroBeast of the May, month of May, 15th of May for Patreon, and the RetroBeast update for regular people for the first, what's after May? June. So, yes, this is the update, I think 24. Where's the mouse? Let's boot the log. There's a lot of improvement. There's a lot of new way I want to build the RetroBeast. It's going to be the RetroBeast 4 soon, and for that, I work hard to make everything as simple as possible. This is a gaming system. A lot of people they they don't have a PC capacity of changing stuff and modding or changing emulator setting and stuff. So the RetroBeast is made for a plug and play feature. So as soon as you plug the RetroBeast, it's a plug and play feature. You plug your controller, you boot the game, and you should be ready to play, save your game, stuff like that. But I also include for advanced user in the future. We'll have a control panel if you want to change the aspect ratio, the screen effect on the MAMEs emulator, maybe changing some emulator, changing stuff if you want. If you don't want, everything is already set. So it's good for a plug and play for the plug and play user that want a plug and play system, and also it's made for advanced user. So the RetroBeast 4 philosophy is going to be about that. I will also integrate the tree launcher, the launchbox, BIGBOX. It's two launcher in one. The new Hyperspin I'm working on. It's very great. I'm gonna show you. If you want you can watch my other video I'm gonna do after this video. I will do a video. I'm gonna talk about all the feature for the RetroBeast 4. I'm just talking about because it's the update of the month, and I'm working on the RetroBeast 4 new feature. Um, so basically, what's gonna happen is all the ROM is gonna be on one folder, all the art's gonna be on one folder, all the emulators gonna be on one folder. Everything's gonna be very in a simple way. So even if you launch Launchbox or Hyperspin or RetroBeast, you will have the same ROM, same emulator, but with a different experience. So mean you can boot MAME from a big box, and it's going to be full screen, let's say, with a type of glass effect. If you boot the RetroBeast, it's going to be the same game, but with a bezel, with another screen effect. All right. So what's going to happen on the mini launcher? You will still have the search, the RetroBeast. I removed the theme from the RetroBeast. The theme you can access if you want to change the RetroBeast theme is going to be on the new controller launcher or in the RetroBeast himself, so you can change the theme. You have the big box, the launch box. I already finished Launchbox. It's got 108 systems so far, and it's growing up very fast. It's gonna be almost as full as the RetroBeast. The Hyperspin is the new one. It's got a few wheel, the basic wheel. I'm working on it. You still have the fighter if you want to play fighter. You have the Nessica Teto Type X launcher, the arcade launcher, the Nessica launcher, and the pinball console vertical if you want to have fun, and the neon for the Sega Naomi. You still have your save backup. You still have your updates and recovery, your driver booster, your CCleaner, TeamViewer, YouTube, GeForce, the log, and Discord, accessible from the main launcher. But basically, you will have three launchers: BigBox, Hyperspin, and RetroBeast, and with some sub launcher in the future. So because I work hard to concentrate everything in one folder, emulator, ROM, so now I almost have 1 TB of free space on the D drive because the Q drive is almost full. So now I have to work and do a big cleanup everywhere. So like this month, you have the PSP is a new setup, less data, and more game. So that's an example. All right, so let's talk about the update of this month. If you need more information about the future of RetroBeast, watch my other video. I'm gonna do it soon. All right. You have to read this before doing your update. This is all the tips on the log, what to do, what not to do, and stuff like that. If you need more info, more support, go to my Discord. I have a big wiki and some people to help you. And on the wiki, I describe everything. If you want to reflash your C drive, how to use sync recovery and stuff like that, everything is in the wiki on the Discord. And if you want to read the log, you can go on the Discord also. So this month update, you only update the D and Q drive for the RetroBeast 80 TB. I removed the Sidon Light Gun Dunk Hunt from Nintendo Arcade. I remove it, but I think I fixed it. Now it can be boot from another emulator, so it works. New Neo Geo CD collection ROM set, complete ROM set. I changed the ROM set. I changed the a new. I'm gonna show you a new Amstrad CPC monochrome. To be honest, I never heard about that, but it was some monochrome Amstrad CPC. Oh yeah, I changed the icon from one team. This is the new icon from one of the team on RetroBeast PC. Tell me if you like it. Amstrad monochrome CPC. This one, the green one. It's a bunch of games, but you can play them on a monochrome style. Whoop! What I did doesn't allow. It doesn't quit. So this is new. CPC monochrome. New Amstrad. Wii U, I fixed the controller. Yes, the emulator, the Wii U for the the CMU emulator for the Wii U. I fixed the controller for 4 controller. Now it works on 4 controller. Switch is upscaled to 2 times for better look and performance. I removed the NZXT apps, so if you watch now on my desktop, there is no NZXT information about CPU, GPU. I remove it from the, if you want to enable it, but I remove it because it was blocking the Sidon Light Gun. I didn't know, that's a weird behavior. But if you have problem booting something, just click CTRL, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard. Go to Task Manager and go to Startup and click on Statue. So you will see all the enable apps and remove the, now it's disabled, the NZXT. Let's put it in names. I just watched my record if okay. Still recording. Yeah, go to and oh, and ZXT is not there. Okay. Anyway, you should see NZXT apps, and just right click and disable it, or you will see it on the right corner on your desktop. You can open it and go in setting and set it as a non auto start window, or you can go to apps and ZXT cam, this one. Yeah, it was blocking some application and stuff. I don't know why. It was cool, but if you have some problem, disable it, close it. That's the one, the mini. You can go to setting. It's called the mini launcher on the setting. Where is? Where is setting? Yeah, mini mode, custom interface and stuff like that. Always on top. So disable it. Yeah, it's one member. Thanks for one guy on Discord. He told me he closed NZXT and the Sided light gun was working. Very weird. The Wii U, the Switch. First, second screen on all MAME inventory that play the actual game on the second. Oh yeah, I fixed the second screen. If you're using a second screen, some MAME game pop up on the second screen. It's fixed now. So you should boot your game. It should appear on your main screen and the second screen for the bezel, the marquee. I had multiple controller 2 and 4 on PS3, PS2, PS1, Wii U, Wii, Xbox, and Switch. Alright, very great. All RetroArch system use Vulkan. I changed it to Vulkan. Not a big deal, but it should be better. Nintendo 64. I make it work from RetroArch now. And I tried to find the best setting to make them run very great. I add, if you go to wiki, now the wiki is going to be on the control. You will have everything's going to be at the same place. Control, setting, wiki, all that stuff. If you go to MAME glass effect for RetroBeast, I did add the LCD but with glass, so that's great. Personally that's the way I like it. I have a new launcher, yeah, the Hyperspin. Every month it's gonna be upgraded. It's gonna have some change. Launchbox and the new Hyperspin will grow every month. So if you click, it's very great. Seriously, I'm gonna shut down the video because it's long. But look fast the wheel go. It's amazing. That's an interface, very, very fast. I love it. You can change wheel and the video pop up. It doesn't feel like, you know, when you scroll and everything is stuck. But this launcher, I really like it. It's based on it's a Hyperspin based on attract mode. It's better than the original Hyperspin. Seriously. And it works with the rocket launcher as well. So yes. I really, really, really like it. I'm gonna show you the arcade, PS3. It's gonna have all the PC game, PS3, PS2, all the same game, but with a different personality and a different way to play the game. So it's not just 3 launcher with the same type of game, with the same way to play the game. So I want each one to have a different experience. So that's the new Hyperspin. Very, very, very great. So RetroBeast is really great. Hyperspin will be really great, and RetroBeast big box. I'm gonna show you just a teaser. I just finished the 108 wheel from scratch. I rebuilt them, and I make sure they use the same ROM as the RetroBeast. So if you click on platform, you will have all the platform. If you go, oh, what did happen? If you go to platform categories, I separate it the same way as the RetroBeast. So you will have the arcade. If you click on it, you have all the subcategories for the arcade. So, alright. After, if you go to arcade board, same thing. You will have the same wheel as the RetroBeast, and so on. Computer, console, handle, pinball, console import, game act, PC, stuff like that. I really like launchbox. It's really, really great. So let's boot a game. You will see. Okay, I'm going to show you an example, just very fast. I'm going to boot the same game on RetroBeast, the game I always launch, the 1944. You will see it's going to be bezel full screen. So if you like to have a thin bezel with a full screen arcade style, that's the way to do it. See? It's almost full screen. You have the thin bezel on the side. Okay, let's quit it. Now I'm gonna boot it. I'm gonna boot it from. I'm gonna close it.
Goodbye.
I'm gonna boot RetroBeast. Arcade. Oh yeah, I changed all the icon on all the MAME's game, and I fixed the wheel on MAME. Now I boot the same ROM from RetroBeast, and now you will add the bezel with the glass effect. So that's the way I want to build it. 3 launcher, 3 different experience. Same feature, save, load. Where's my mouse? Update of this month. New Hyperspin, yeah, very great. I'm working to integrate the best feature from those RetroBeast. Now, next time you launch Smash Brother on Switch. Oh yeah, one guy on the Discord sent me the save game for a bunch of game on the Switch, so you should look at it. I'll upload them on the Q drive. The save for the Switch are on the Q drive, and there's a bunch of new save that unlock all kind of stuff for a Switch game, also for the Smash Bros. Oh yeah, I fixed the demo mode from a long time. I find the problem when you boot RetroBeast and you don't play. After 60 seconds, 2 minutes, I don't remember, I think 2 minutes. 60 seconds, 2 minutes, I don't remember. When you don't touch any controller and you let the RetroBeast run, it will go to a demo mode, attract mode, and it's gonna go to wheel and showing video and games. But after I think 1 or 2 minutes, it was stuck on one wheel and with duplicate wheel. Now it's fixed. you can run on demo mode for 2 hours, and I tested for a few hours, and he's doing his job like it should be. So that's fixed. Demo mode is fixed. 4 new collection. I have 4 new collection. I'm not gonna show you, but I have 4 new collection. You can take a look in the collection section. New Romset for Commodore 64, Coleco, and Vertrex. New MAME blue logo. Cabinet, new cabinet on the wheel. So the cabinet is the picture around the video. So there is new cabinet for when you scroll game. New marquee. If you're using a second screen or a marquee, there is new marquee. I fixed MAME layout. I fixed Mario Kart 8 on the Switch. I upload a new one. It's working now. New PS1 ROM set, smaller file size. Now there is 1,903 games, but smaller size, so with less space, and the game run as fast as before, no problem. Yeah, I changed the format. I fixed Sega 30X. I went for the 32X randomly, and it didn't boot. I don't know why. I fixed it. Should works. Open bar. Now you have 390 games. Very great. It was 180 before. It doubles the size in open bar. And I'm working on the new feature for RetroBeast 4, tree launcher, for better improvement, better experience. Launchbox, BIGBOX is rebuilt from scratch and is growing every day. I'm working on it, as well as the new Hyperspin. And I'm working on the new control. I'm not gonna show you, but it's gonna be a kind of apps. You're gonna boot and you will find all the wiki and fix and set up. If you want to change this, change that. Everything's gonna be on one launcher, and you can change everything that you want to change. If you don't want to change anything, but it's gonna be good for the wiki. If you need to read for the controller, how to use the controller, how to use the RetroBeast and stuff like that, how to do your update, everything's gonna be on the RB3 control. That's it for the update of the month. Take care, guys, and watch my other video, and see you next month. And this is the new wallpaper I did for the when you launch your RetroBeast for the first time. Is gonna be that wallpaper. All right, take care, guys. I really like the RetroBeast. Hope you have fun. And if you have any suggestion, bug, anything you want to talk about, come to my Discord and send me a text. No problem. Thank you. Bye bye.